for the benefit of scheduled castes. It is the first time visited as a Vice Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste, Tamil Nadu, in my charge, and I have come yesterday and I met many organizations. They submit their complaint, their demand, and I discuss about the proper authority. Just now I visited IIT Madras, Honorable Director and his all official meet with me, and also the SC, ST, OBC Welfare Organization demand, and we discuss about this matter, proper authority, and they can action taken report within 30 days in benefit of SC, ST Welfare Organization. ये SC, ST डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के लिए जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने हमारे साथ बात किया है, they told me about the SC, ST discrimination, and I discussed about this matter, and they are satisfied, and they told me immediately action taken this subject, and they realize and discussion about the HCC Commission or our Director Charge, Mr. Sunil ji, already discussed about this matter, and they assured me immediately all discussion will be finished, and Commission also observation this subject. They said about this question, and they submit the list, and Honorable Director submit the list, and Director Admin, Director Dean submit their all list, and they said there is no discrimination in this subject, and they followed all the DPT line of the Government of India, and they show me, but it is not mean otherwise. It is adjustable. Any problem they will solve. We are satisfied, and organization also organization as present there. SCST organization present. It is first time. It is first time meeting with the organization in front of the IIT Madras administration. It is first time. They told me at the time of advertisement which criteria mentioned this application, many others cannot fulfill this criteria, and this is why there is no actual candidate or the suitable post. If any complaint of your perfect complaint, you may give me, and I should solve the problem. Any complaint, any appropriate complaint in your hands, give me my hand, and I assure in favor of my commission, and it will fulfill this matter. I assure to you in front of the media. If any discussion for you, I solve this problem, and intimation from the government. I read this matter, and I assure to you it will be finished and your favor. One answer as I given to you. Any perfect, any actual completion, your hand you give me, and I sort out it. That's question finished. Okay. Any complaint.